Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to upload a photo with a background to Instagram. The first thing we will do is enter our Instagram app. Once inside, click on the bottom add icon or move the screen to the right. Next, we will be placed in the story mode. Now we are going to add the photo that will make the background or that will be the first, either from our gallery or directly with the camera. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. You can resize the background photo if you want to give a magnification effect to the composition. We will continue to add the others. To do this, tap the top icon with a face, then look for the Add Media icon that you can see. Select the new image you want to add and it will be added. You can click on it to change its appearance and also move or resize it on the screen. Place each image as you want to make your composition in the story. If you want, you can add more elements to your images like GIF or music. After that, you can publish your story and even save the composition as a photo collage. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.